Hello Hotel, and welcome to today's lesson on simplifying fractions. So some of the keywords you'll need to know: simplify, equivalent, ascending and descending, convert and fraction. So some of the real life links are where you're sharing food. For example, today we may be going through some examples on pizzas and using fractions and simplifying fractions within sales. Okay, so first things first, we have a pizza. So example we're going to start with is a pizza. We have divided this pizza on the left up into 12 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we have split this pizza and divided it equally into 12 parts. There are 6 shaded regions. There are 6 slices of pizza that have been highlighted. So that means we have eaten or taken 6 out of the 12. So how we represent this is 6 over 12. 6 out of 12. Okay? So now, that is equivalent to 6/12. And on the right hand side, you should see that we have a pizza that has been split up into two equal parts. So the equivalent fraction for this will be 1/2. So if you have a look on the right hand side and on the left hand side, you'll see that this shaded region here is equal to the shaded region there. So these two fractions are equal. So simplified, 6/12 is simplified into 1/2. Okay, so it's really good to use diagrams to simplify fractions. However, you don't always have diagrams. So I'm just going to use a nice quick method on simplifying fractions. So first things first, you need to find the HCF. You need to find the highest common factor of the numerator and the denominator. So if we list the factors for 8, we have 1, 2, 4 and 8. If we list the factors for 32, we have 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 and 32. So the highest common factor of these two is 8. That's the highest common factor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide top and bottom by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1 and 32 divided by 8 is 4. So again, let's have a look at the next example. We'll do the same thing. The highest common factor, the HCF, of 7 and 21 is 7. So the highest common factor is 7. So what I'm going to do is divide the top by 7, the numerator divided by 7, and divide the denominator by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1 over 21 divided by 7, which is 3. So we have fully simplified our fractions. Okay, what I'd like you to do is to pause the video and have a go at simplifying this fraction by filling in the missing gaps. Okay, welcome back. So the highest common factor, the HCF, of 15 and 20 is 5. So if I divide top by 5, the numerator by 5, sorry, and the denominator by 5, we have 3 over 4. And that is our simplified fraction. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video and have a go at simplifying this one, this fraction. Okay, welcome back. So the highest common factor of 9 and 45 is 9. So I'm going to divide the top by 9 and I'm going to divide the bottom by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 45 divided by 9 is 5. So it's equivalent or equal to 1/5. Okay, what I'd like you to do now is to pause the video and have a go at this mini whiteboard question. Once you're finished, resume the video and I'll go through it myself. Okay, welcome back. So we have the highest common factor of 12 and 18, which is 6. So 12 and 18, the highest common factor that they are both divisible by is 6. So what I'm going to do is divide the top by 6, the numerator by 6, divide the denominator by 6, and we have 2 over 3. That's equivalent to 2/3. We have fully simplified this fraction. I'd like you to have a go at this mini whiteboard question. Simplify the fraction. Okay, welcome back. So the highest common factor of 10 and 30 is 10. So I'm going to divide the numerator by 10, I'm going to divide the denominator by 10. So we have a simplified fraction of 1 over 3. So we are now on to the main task. What I would like you to do is to simplify all of these fractions. What I would like you to do is to do 4 from red. I'd like you to do 4 from amber. And finally do 4 from green. My hint to you for simplifying fractions, the hint: find the highest common factor, and then that's for step 1, and then step 2 is divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF. So again, we need to simplify these fractions by finding the highest common factor, and then divide the numerator by the highest common factor and divide the denominator by the highest common factor. Once you have finished this, please take a picture of your solutions and upload them onto class charts. If you have any questions or any queries, please message me on class charts. Good luck.